In this video, we're going to take a look at the 6-quart COSORI Air Fryer. This one gives you a ton of settings on it and a lot of space to cook too. I love that the basket stays in unless you press the button, so that keeps it from accidentally falling out. It measures about 9.5 inches wide and deep and about 4 inches tall, so there's a ton of space in this. It has this nice removable tray as well that keeps your food elevated from any grease that comes out of it. On the top of it, there's a ton of settings. There's preheat mode where you can get this up to temperature before you put your food in. There's also reheat mode, which is great for cooking leftovers in it. Dry, bake, proof, warm setting. And then you can also activate the turbo modes to do air fry, roast, broil, or you can do frozen food as well. So whether you're going to make a side like French fries or onion rings, or if you want to make a main entree, like if you want to make a pizza on the inside and put it on bake mode, or I've also made some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Those taste really good in this too. They have a really crispy skin on them. So I really love using this because of all the great features on it and all the versatility, packed in a relatively compact size too. So this is going to be a great size to make food for a small family, or you're going to be able to make a ton of French fries or other side dishes in the COSORI 6-quart air fryer.